this tutorial, we're going to learn the variable blocks. By default, we have this block called myVariable. We can change its name to AA. We can also delete it by clicking delete. We can also add another variable by making a variable. Let's add a variable called BB. And we can click on the checkboxes to make them display on stage. With this block, we can set our variables to be a specific number. Let's set AA to be 5. As you can see, it is updated. And also set BB to be 5. BB has updated to 5. We can also use our show variable and hide variable to show and hide our variables from stage. So if we hide it, it gets hidden. And if we show it again, then it shows up again. Now let's try and make a list. Let's name it AAA. And our list comes up on stage. Let's try adding our very first item onto our list. So with this block, let's add in some fruits. I'll add a strawberry. And now, as you can see, we have added an item to our list. Let's add in a kiwi and a pear. You can also click on this plus icon over here on stage to add another item. I will add a durian. And now it has added its item to the list. Delete one of AAA. This deletes the first item in the list. So if we click on it, strawberry is going to get deleted. As you can see, strawberry is now gone. Delete all of AAA. This deletes all the items in our list. Insert thing at one of AA. This one inserts an item at a specific order in the list. So let's first add in some fruits. Let's add in back our strawberry, add in a pear, add in a kiwi, and let's say I want my durian to be the second item of our list. Then we can change it to 2, and if we click on it, durian is now the second item of the list. Replace item 1 of AAA with thing. What this one does is replace the item with what you insert, and you can choose which item you want to replace. So if I say I specifically want strawberry, which is item number 4, to be replaced with, let's say, an apple, then it switches to apple. Item 1 of AAA states the name or variable that is in the first item of the list. So currently we have kiwi as the first item, so it tells me kiwi. Item number of thing in AAA. This is the opposite of our previous block. This tells where the item is in the list. So if I say, where is kiwi in AAA? It's the very first item, so it tells me 1. Length of AAA tells me how many items are in the list. Currently we have 4, so if I click on it, it tells me 4. AAA contains thing. So if you ask, is durian in the list? The answer is going to be true. Yes, durian is in the list AAA. Is strawberry in the list? Remember, strawberry is no longer in our list, so the answer is going to be false. Show list AAA and hide list AAA. We can hide our list from our stage and we can make it appear again. So that is all of our variable blocks. It can get a little bit confusing, so it's good to review and be sure of what each of the block does. For this challenge, I want you to create a list called to-do list. Add in 4 tasks that you do in the morning, and then delete the 4th task. Replace item number 3 of to-do list with exercise. The answer key will be provided, so make sure you check when you're done.